Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're hitting the road with our roundup of the top 5 best dashcams of 2024. Whether you're a cautious driver looking for added security or just want to capture those scenic drives, a reliable dashcam is essential. Let's dive into our top picks. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Garmin Dashcam 87. This sleek and compact dashcam packs a punch with its 4K resolution recording and wide-angle lens, capturing crystal-clear footage of your journeys. With built-in GPS and advanced driver assistance features, the Garmin Dashcam 87 offers peace of mind on the road. Next up at number 4, we have the Vantrue N4 3-channel dashcam. Perfect for those who want coverage from multiple angles, the Vantrue N4 features front, inside, and rear-facing cameras, ensuring you capture every moment on the road. With its infrared night vision and loop recording capabilities, this dashcam is a reliable companion for day or night driving. Coming in at number 3, we have the Thinkware U1000 dual dashcam. Known for its high-quality 4K recording and cloud connectivity, the Thinkware U1000 offers advanced features such as parking surveillance and real-time alerts. With its sleek design and reliable performance, this dashcam is a top choice for drivers looking for cutting-edge technology. At number 2, we have the Blackview DR900X 2CH. This premium dashcam boasts 4K resolution recording and built-in Wi-Fi for easy access to footage on your smartphone. With its discreet design and cloud storage capabilities, the Blackview DR900X 2CH offers convenience and peace of mind for drivers seeking top-notch quality. And finally, our number 1 pick for the best dashcam of 2024 is the Nextbase 62022GW. Featuring 4K recording, Alexa integration, and emergency SOS response, the Nextbase 62022GW is the ultimate dashcam for safety-conscious drivers. With its innovative features and user-friendly interface, this dashcam sets the standard for excellence on the road. And there you have it, folks, our top 5 best dashcams of 2024. Whether you're looking for crystal-clear recording, advanced features, or reliable performance, there's a dashcam on this list to suit your needs. Let us know in the comments which dashcam you're currently using, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive content. Until next time,